Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of AI powered note taking. Whether you are a student, a professional or just someone who loves staying organized, these AI tools will revolutionize the way you take notes in 2024. So let's get started with the 3 best AI tools for note making this year. First up, we have Notion AI. Notion is already a popular productivity app, but with the addition of AI, it takes note taking to a whole new level. Notion AI helps you by summarizing your notes, generating to-do lists, and even offering writing suggestions. Whether you are organizing your study materials or brainstorming ideas, Notion AI streamlines the process, making it easier and faster. Key features of Notion AI: auto summarization of long notes, AI powered to-do list, contextual suggestion to improve your writing. If you are looking for an all-in-one workspace with AI capabilities, Notion AI is definitely worth checking out. Next up on the list is Otter AI. If you are someone who prefers to record lectures, meetings or interviews and later convert them into notes, Otter AI is your go-to tool. This AI-powered app transcribes your audio recordings into text with impressive accuracy. It even highlights key points and allows you to search through your note easily. Why Otter AI stands out? Real-time transcription with high accuracy, smart summarization of key points, easy organization and search functions. For anyone who relies on audio notes, Otter AI is a game changer in 2024. Last but not the least, we have Microsoft OneNote. With its new AI integration, OneNote has always been a strong contender in the note-taking space. And with AI, it now offers enhanced features like automatic tagging, contextual organization, and smart suggestion for categorizing your notes. Plus, if you are using the Microsoft ecosystem, this tool integrates seamlessly with the other apps like Word and Excel. Highlights of OneNote's AI features is automatic tagging for better organization, contextual organization suggestions, seamless integration with other Microsoft apps. If you are in the Microsoft ecosystem, OneNote with AI is a must-have for efficient note-taking in 2024. And there you have it. Those were the 3 best AI tools for note making in 2024. Whether you are using Notion AI for its all-in-one workspace, Otter AI for accurate transcription, or Microsoft OneNote for its seamless integration, these tools are sure to boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comment section which AI tools you are excited to try out. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.